संजय इतने अच्छे पोलो प्लेयर हैं, वो आज खुद आए हैं आपके साथ आए हो, संजय की गेम के बारे में, खेल के बारे में क्या कहते हैं?
Well, I think he's a great player. Unfortunately, they didn't win, so they were not playing today. So it was a different experience to sit and watch with him. Yeah.
आज का फैशन शो आपने देखा आज?
नहीं, हम लोग लेट आए थे.
Yeah, what do you have to say about polo and fashion? I mean,
Well, I think it's a great platform. I think for polo and fashion, I think it's really good that a sport has been given a lot more mileage. A sport like polo, and I think it's a great idea.
do you think there's a certain way that people should actually carry themselves or dress up for a polo match? Do you think people?
Well, I think basically polo is always associated with a lot of style because it's been a very princely and very royal kind of a game. So I think people generally do like to kind of dress up and come, which is also a nice thing. I think it's a different experience, it's a different feeling, and I'm sure people enjoy, you know, kind of dressing up and coming here.
करिश्मा, आपको पोलो कितना पसंद है?
Kafi, not as much as films, but I like polo now. Yeah.
करिश्मा, हमारे बॉलीवुड से अगर किसी को पोलो के लिए आपको प्लेयर चुनना हो तो आप किसको चुनना चाहिए?
Well, I think honestly, I think all are heroes. क्योंकि I think they're all very daring. They all do their own stunts. They ride the horse also. So I think they all should try that.
कि आपका फेवरेट स्पोर्ट है कौन सा?
Well, I'd have to say polo. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.